Jangan manis, mikirin apa ya kamu?
Enggak mikirin apa-apa kok.
Serius? Tapi kamu kayak kelihatan mikir serius banget gitu tau?
Beneran, aku nggak lagi mikirin apa-apa kok.
Alah, kenapa sih? Bilang aja.
Ya gimana ya, aku tuh kayak mikir masa SMA kita tuh kayak gini-gini aja gitu loh. Kalian ngerasa nggak sih?
Tapi gimana ya, aku juga bingung.
Aku tuh pengen kayak di masa terakhir kita sekolah di sini tuh kita bikin suatu momen yang wah gitu. Biar kita ngerasa momen kita di sini tuh nggak monoton banget.
Tapi ngapain bro?
Ngapain ya? Ah yaudahlah, ikut aja yuk.
Gas.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it.
Baru kenal ngasuh bikin bagilan. Tiap malam berjalan kita berdompet rata dunia. Masa anak ada modal, asal gaya pasang story yang berdoi di meja. Tunjukkannya tukang ada orang sifat-sifat macam ini harus senjang dalam ubah. Oh tak cuma
confessing.
You might as well please speak to me. Won't you let me be your rhythm tonight? Move your body, move your body. I wanna be your music, my music. And let me be your rhythm tonight. Move your body, move your body. Your love is smarter, I get harder than you know. I feel it all, so come together, do it all. I can't check it once, check it twice.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me. Through the summer and the fall, we had each other, that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. And when she was lonely, I was there to comfort her. And I knew